Okay, this video is about to how to make a group among the registered participants. Look at this is my course 18EC350. Of course, the name of the course is microprocessor and microcontroller. I have added the list of students to participate in my course. These are all the students. Look at here. The myself is a teacher. All other roles and all being given as a student. Okay. I need to give an assignment. Sometimes the individual assignment I will give, no, everyone will submit an individual assignment. Sometimes I will give a group assignment. So in that group assignment, so I am in the position to form the group among the students, and even for some kind of small project, mini project. So in that case, students will form the group themselves, or sometime we will be forming the group. So we form the group by this software also. Even look at here in this column, the students. No more groups they are in, right? So I'm going to form the group. How to form the group? Okay, fine. So for doing this, go to the administration tools menu. In that you can find groups. Okay, so find the groups. So you have done enrolled, users, enrolled user, enrollment methods and all you have seen. You go for groups. Okay, so when you press the groups, look at here, groups for overviewing the groups and all has come here, right? This is the group, right? First we do groups, then we see the grouping. Group is different from grouping. Okay, groups. So there are no groups formed. First we form the group. Okay, create group. So in that I go for just a type group one. That's it. Okay, so no more group id, group description. If you want, you can give the group one is male group or female group, or group one is doing this title of that activity that group one going to do and all you can give, right? Fine. So I just give group one I have formed. So this square, within bracket 0, meaning that no students being in that group. That's what it's telling us. So if we go for one more group, so group 2. So group 2 and create one more group. I'm going for one more group. Yeah, that's fine. So there are 4 groups I have created. 4 group, no more students in each group, right? Now I am going to add the students for the group 1. Select group 1. The members of group 1 shows here nothing, so you go for adding it. So look at here, the users group 1, right? Number of users for group 1, it comes here. So here you can see the students are, there are 12 students and one student, one teacher, sorry. So you can pick the guys right to this group 1. Okay, so select here, simply press the button Alt, so it comes here. So in group 1, the number 17T03 being added, and this one also being added here, and this one also being added. So look at here, in group 1 there are 3 students added, so automatically it shows 3. Fine. So now I go back to the groups. So look at here, group 1 there are 3 students, it shows. When you click here, it shows what are all the students being come here. Now go for group 2. So when you go for group 2, so look at here again, the 12 students will come appear here. You need to look for it whether the students in group 1 or group 2. You don't need to worry about it. You click it, it goes here. Already the students in group 1, so you don't need to worry about it. So this student's not in any of the group, so you press here and put it in group 2. Right. Now this guy also not in this group. 3, 9 is in group 1 and 10 is not in the group. 9 is also 10, so 10, add the 10 to that. Then 24, right? Yeah, 24. Fine, good. Now go back to groups. So in group 1 there are 3. Look at here. So these 3 students in group 1 and these 3 students in group 2. Similarly, go for group 3, right? So add remove. So you can pick any of these 3 guys. Fine. So I add 3. And all the remainings I can put it in group 4. How can I see it? So this is student, of course. This HARII07 is me only. I have enrolled as a student also because of any issues and all, I also can monitor as a student. It is better to have one more login as a student in this. Fine. So everyone being registered successfully. Look at here, there are 12 students we have seen, right? All the 12 students have come here. You total it and you will end up with total 12 students. Now we see how to form groupings. Groupings nothing but collection of groups. Okay. For assignment 1, I can form group 1, group 2 for assignment 1 and group 3, group 4 for assignment 3 and group 5, group 1, 6 for assignment 4, something like that. The assignment 1, 2, 3 and all being given for the topic 1, something like that you can imagine, right? So now how to we see now, go to groupings, go for create groupings. You just click here, the grouping name is assignment. Assignment, let's say 1, right? And you can give the description also, right? And create one more grouping, assignment 2. So look at here, this assignment 1 and assignment 2 for in topic 2 also you can give another first case. Anyway, so for this grouping assignment 1 and assignment 2, sometimes some people may do some other activity. So like mini project 1, 2, 3 and all you can give. Mini project 1, 2, 3 and in that name you can give. Let's see. I freeze it only with these two grouping assignment 1. Now I am going to fix how many groups in the assignment 1 activity grouping. Okay. So for that, or this button, the head button, it shows that it goes here to how to form the group. So I am in assignment 1. I put group 1 and group 4 for doing assignment 1. Okay, right. So group 1, group 2. For this, I go for this button. For group 2 and group 3, we'll be doing assignment 2. That is what. So finished. This is what the grouping and all we do. So now look at here how the groups being shown in the enrolled users. You can look at here. So I'm the teacher, so I'm not in any of the group. I can join in any of the group, but time being I have not been joined. I mean, I have not joined in any of the group. So the Abhinaya 1 is in group 1, group 2, and whereas this guy, is in group 3 as well, group 4. So okay, sometime I can give in that sense also some guy interested in doing assignment 1 and assignment 2. So I can make. So right, this guy is not in a group, so I need to do for making this guy to any one of the group, right? This is how the group and groups and all grouping and all being done.